What's going on, guys? George with another video. In today's video, we're going to be updating the mountain hatch that I had on my truck. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I will be putting it down below in the description. I recently did some work for the guys at Mountain Hatch. They were installing a mountain hatch on a Tacoma that belonged to one of the owners from CVT Cascadia Tents, and I was honored and I was humbled when they asked me to do a promo video for them. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing the video for you guys, and no, this is not to show it off. This is just so you guys can get to know the owner. He's gonna be explaining the benefits of having a mountain hatch, and he's also gonna be showing you guys how to install it. So here's the video.
Hey, how's it going? This is Fred here with Mountain Hatch. Today we are at Rockstar Performance Garage in Lake Elsinore, California, and we are installing our new mountain hatch on CVT's Toyota Tacoma. Basically what this is it's a replacement insert for your tailgate that is FDA approved plastic, like a cutting board, and it creates a flat surface so you can set stuff on when you're tailgating or camping. So this is what it is right here. It's just a replacement insert. It has our logo down here on the bottom left-hand side. It is made here in USA. And these are recessed little outlines to set stuff in, or a cup or a can if you're on an angle and things start to slide, because it is plastic. So let's get this thing installed. What you're gonna need is a T30 Torx, okay? You can put it in your drill, or you can just use a socket wrench if you want. But it's a T30 Torx, and that will remove these screws. So all you're gonna do is, after you remove those, is you're gonna go ahead and pull this out. And sometimes it'll get hung up on the lip here, which is no big deal, but it comes out pretty easy, okay? We're gonna go ahead and set that over here. And you grab your new one, you're gonna set it on. Go ahead and slide it underneath and match up all the holes, okay? And then what I like to do is, I don't start screwing it down right away. What I want to do is take your smaller diameter hex screws or Torx screws, and you're going to go ahead and just do them hand tight to get them started. If you screw it down before, what might happen is it might turn or twist, and then you've already screwed down a screw, and you're going to have to release it again or loosen it up to get it perfect. So as you can see, all of our screws are tightened back down. This is our black. Basically more like an OEM color, obviously, because the replacement or the original is black. We also have them in orange and in charcoal, and red is coming soon. Basically what you have here is a flat surface. You can use it as a workbench if you're doing construction, setting your stove on, when you're cooking at camp, just setting stuff on, cutting food up, and food prep for when you're camping. So go ahead and check us out on Instagram at mountain_hatch, or mountainhatch.org is our website. Go check out all of our new products coming out. We got some new stuff coming, but thanks for watching.
So after we were done recording, he was like, George, I have something for you, something you're gonna like, something that's gonna fit your truck better, and it's gonna match your personality. And I honestly had no clue what it was, because keep in mind, I already had a mountain hatch that was given to me by my good friend Drew Day Today. Big shout out to you, brother. Thank you so much for that mountain hatch. Anyways, he goes to his truck and pulls out another mountain hatch. I'm like, dude, I already have one. Like, are we doing a giveaway? What are we doing? He opens it, and it's a charcoal gray mountain hatch. For those of you guys that follow me on Instagram and have seen pictures of my truck, or even seen me in person or at a meet or some kind of trail, you guys know that I do have some charcoal gray accents on the side of my tailgate. And yeah, that's pretty much what Fred had in mind. He was like, dude, this thing is gonna fit your truck a lot better. So I just wanna take the time to thank Greg and Fred for always supporting my channel, and for always just being such awesome influencers when it comes down to this community. I remember the first time that I met you guys, we were up north, pretty much delivering supplies for all the people that were affected by the Paradise fires. That was honestly, guys, pretty life-changing. I still remember clearly just the atmosphere that we were in. And it was crazy, man. I feel like God had a purpose, and he definitely put you guys in my life to do stuff like this, not only be able to give back to people, but just build together and have a strong relationship when it comes down to our friendship. So thank you guys so much for everything that you do. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you guys so much. As you can tell, the inside was pretty easy. He did explain everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Pushing that again just to be grown up.